Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. मैं कुछ सदियों बाद आई हूँ YouTube पे and it's nothing new to you guys. You guys know कि मैं बहुत lazy हूँ अपने YouTube के साथ, so माजरत इस बात की. But anyways, very randomly when I woke up today, I was like, today is the day when I need to vlog. खैर बहुत कुछ interesting नहीं होना था आज, so I decided कि इस पूरे week में vlog करूँगी because कुछ छोटी मोटी चीज़ें हैं जो कि interesting रहेंगे I think. In case you're coming from my Instagram, thank you, but if you're new to my YouTube and you've randomly clicked on my face because you like the thumbnail, so hi, my name is Fatma and I am a Islamabad based lifestyle content creator. I hope you enjoy this week and let's get started.
So my day typically starts with एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो. Yeah, I am one of those true chai addicts जिनका दिन शुरू नहीं होता without a cup of tea. और मुझे वो लोग बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आते जिनको चाय कॉफ़ी पसंद नहीं है. मतलब how can you start your day without caffeine? मतलब कैसे? If you're one of those people, let me know. And if you're one of the caffeine addicts, let me know if you prefer tea or coffee. And yeah. So a lot of people in Islamabad recommended me to go to the mass vaccination center that is built in the F9 park, and I, to be honest, was very impressed with the whole system over there. It took me around 5 minutes to get registered, choose my vaccination, which was great because बहुत सारे लोगों को तो option भी नहीं मिल रही, and actually getting the vaccination. So the entire process just took me 5 minutes, which is amazing. This might be because I went on a Monday morning, but जितने भी लोगों से मैंने सुना है सबका यही कहना है कि it doesn't take a lot of time.
A few moments later.
Quick update, I'm done with my post lunch meeting. I have another one the next 20 minutes. Plus ये है कि I am sort of done with my lunch और मैंने अपनी पिक्चर्स भी ले ली हैं जो कि मैं शाम में एडिट करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे आज ही लगानी है. By the time this vlog goes live, they're already posted on Instagram, so do check them out. I'll link my Instagram in the description. And yeah, I don't have anything interesting tonight. I want to do some PR unboxing on the stories, so in case you are interested in that, do follow me on Instagram और वहाँ पे जाके मेरा PR highlight भी check कर सकते हैं आप लोग, because I usually do like food PR and so any PRs that are really interesting and out of the box, not like the everyday PR that I get. So yeah.
The following Thursday.
It's Thursday already और ये हफ्ता कैसे गुजर गया पता नहीं लगा. And with the vaccination, I think last 2 days I was just so down, mostly because of my body aches. बुखार नहीं हुआ, I wasn't feeling cold or anything, rather I was feeling very hot. It's probably because of the मौसम, because मेरा कमरा तो बॉयलर बना हुआ होता है ना. Anyways, आज ऑफिस जाके देखते हैं if something interesting happens. So I did not vlog anything in the office. एक तो ये था कि I was meeting some people for the first time, did not want to have that awkward interaction कि कैमरा उठा के बस मैं बातें शुरू कर रही हूँ. एंड बी बिकॉज इतने दिनों बाद मैं ऑफिस गई थी और बहुत सारे लोगों से इतने दिनों के बाद मुलाकात हुई है, सो आई वांटेड टू हैव दैट जेन्युइन कनेक्शन एंड कॉन्वर्सेशन विद पीपल, ना कि मैं कैमरा उठा के सबको ऑकवर्ड करी. तो आई consciously did not pick up the camera in the office. खैर, I will have some dinner and then get to a lot of other stuff that I have pending. Also, I need to edit a post for Instagram and then post it, so I will do that right now while eating my food. And yeah, that's it for today. I will be going to the university tomorrow, so I'll probably vlog then as well. So yeah, bye for now. Good morning, guys. It's 11:15. I just changed into these clothes and applied a lot of sunblock and this stint that I'm testing out. If it works fine and if it stays well, तो फिर मैं दिन के end में आप लोगों को update करूँगी. But I'm basically just going out to do some work that I'm just annoyed about. So I'm basically going to NUST to get my security fee refunded, जो कि मैंने 2016 में भरी थी, and I completely forgot कि मैंने ये refund भी करवानी है, तो उसके लिए जाना है. Plus मुझे अभी तक मेरी डिग्री नहीं मिली, and basically the university is not printing them as they should be. I don't know why, so they're just charging us another 1,000 rupees to get our degrees printed, which they were supposed to give us last year, I guess. तो अब वो भी करना है, तो इन दो कामों के लिए मुझे स्पेशली NUST जाना पड़ेगा, which I'm just hating, considering the fact that it's 37 degrees outside. It will go up to 39 degrees. तो चलते हैं. यूनिवर्सिटी इतनी खाली लग रही है, प्रॉब्ली बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एंड ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, बट ऐसा लग रहा है कि यूनिवर्सिटी बंद है इस वक्त. सो आई एम होपिंग कि जिस ऑफिस मैं जाना चाह रही हूँ वहाँ कोई बैठा हुआ हो एटलीस्ट, वरना बहुत टाइम ज़ाया होगा.
Soon after.
So I just submitted one of the forms which was for my security refund. वो आएगी 45 days के बाद. So I'll probably mark it on my calendar क्योंकि मैं तो भूल जाऊँगी. अब जाना है HPL के जो यूनिवर्सिटी का जो ब्रांच है उसमें जाके सबमिट करनी है फीस फॉर माई डिग्री. तो और उसके बाद फिर मेन ऑफिस में वो फॉर्म जमा करवाना है, which is a hassle.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So guys, I have a very interesting update for you all. तो मैं गई ऑफिस में अपना फॉर्म सबमिट करवाने, बट कोई था नहीं. मैं वेट करती रही. I kept waiting. Then this other person who was in the office who was like कि अभी आप जाएं, हमें ऑफिस बंद करना है क्योंकि अब हम जुमा ब्रेक पे जा रहे हैं, तो आप 2 बजे आएँ. पॉसिबली वो बंदा आ जाएगा 2 बजे तक, तो फिर आप अपना फॉर्म सबमिट करने. सो नाउ आई हैव टू वेट in my car for 50 more minutes ताकि मैं अपना फॉर्म सबमिट करवा सकूँ, जिसको सिर्फ 2 मिनट लगेंगे.
Okay guys, so it's Sunday and I could not update you कि Friday को क्या हुआ है. बहुत लंबी कहानी है, मेरा खून उबलना शुरू हो जाएगा, but I'll just come to a conclusion. I've submitted my documents and I've marked my calendar based on the turnaround time that they have given me. So let's see if my documents come on time and my refund comes to my bank account on time. So let's see, fingers crossed. Anyways, मैं इतना तैयार हूँ कि संडे को घर में इसलिए बैठी हुई क्योंकि मैं अभी करने वाली हूँ अम्मा के साथ शूट. So she also has a channel, Easy Cooking with Munira. As the name suggests, it is a cooking channel because she loves cooking. And I can guarantee कि जिसने भी मेरी अम्मा के हाथ का खाना खाया हुआ है वो बोल सकता है कि she is a really good cook. So in case you're interested in her recipes or you want to check her channel out, I'll link it up on the screen as well as in the description box. Do check her out, do subscribe and support her. तो normally मैं behind the camera होती हूँ या मैं edit करती हूँ उनका काम, but आज she was like no, because I am making the recipe based on your फरमाइश, तो तुम्हें आना भी पड़ेगा. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है चलो आ जाते हैं, इसलिए मैं तैयार हो गई हूँ. हेलो हालत ख़राब हो गई है बस. we're just about to serve the dish और फिर उसकी प्रेजेंटेशन वगैरह करेंगे और फिर I'll take the thumbnail pictures and for Instagram stories सब कुछ, और फिर हम खाएंगे इसको. So guys, that is it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you very soon, hopefully. Bye.